channel shradha'sdietontip. Today we will prepare mango shake, and I love this recipe a lot. This recipe is made using just 3 ingredients. First is mango. Wow. We'll cut this mango into half and we'll remove the pulp. Side by side, I'll tell you little importance and benefits about this mango. So mango contains macro and micronutrients. In macronutrients, it consists of carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, lipids, organic acids, and dietary fiber. And in micronutrients, it consists of calcium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin A and vitamin C. Also, mango pulp provides high energy, that is 60 to 190 kilocalorie from 100 grams, and also it contains 75 to 85% water. And according to RDA, recommended dietary allowances, a normal person should consume 100 grams of mango per day. So enjoy the mango. So now we had removed the pulp. We'll add sugar and milk to it. If you don't want to add sugar, you can use honey as well. Now we'll blend this mixture. I like thicker pulp, so I have added little milk. You can add more milk. We'll remove this in a clean glass and we'll serve by garnishing these with little chopped mangoes. This is delicious with this juice. Wow. I'm gonna try this. Thanks for watching. You also make and try. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.